Just need to exhale. I just need to exhale.
What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns, and we got an eBay unboxing. It's a Jordan eBay unboxing, and we are closing, or we're coming to an end of October, but it's still all good. Dude wrap my box up pretty damn good, so I'm gonna have to rip in. And let's see what we got here. So, y'all see me ripping in, right? I'm laughing because y'all know me. We got a Jordan unboxing. What they right there say? It is what it is. I thought I was getting at least a Jordan box, but since I'm not, let's just give it a look. We got the Jordan 11 IE. This is the International Edition, I think. And it came out in, what year was it? 07. Okay. So let's check for some reglue action. Ooh, the whole toe cap. It's not bad though. I can fix it. I probably can fix it with what's already there. Ooh, yeah, it needs the whole front. And we're just gonna keep checking. This little back end back here needs it. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But it's always good to know what pieces need what. So on this shoe, everything looks to be pretty damn good. Except for that toe cap part again. Right up under there. That's not going to be hard to do. It's not going to be hard to do at all. And as far as the shoe, I can clean it up. I can either unyellow this or try to unyellow it with some soul sauce that I got. And a couple of videos down the line, I'm gonna have to show y'all exactly how I whiten these up.
Just need to exhale.